Good morning, peeps. I've come back to Manor Farm at Swilland, and the match today is in the other lakes, which I haven't been on for quite a long while. I'll show you over here just before I'm now going to draw my peg. There's my trolley there. It's what they call Island Lake and Lagoon in today. Right, let's go and stick my hand in the pot and see what peg number I get. Good morning.
Good morning. Peg 8, I've got a lucky peg. Yeah, and I'm against the champion.
Ah, yes, oh yes, we've got all against Al, aren't we? Here we are at the draw.
Three. Jordan's got 3.
Ain't many left, Paul?
2 left.
2 left. So, oh, it's not me and you then? You're not fishing today? Right, let's see which one I got. 17.
Flyer. 17.
Everybody tell me there's a flyer everywhere I go. Right, let's go and have a look at peg 17. I'll catch you in a bit. Well, here we are, peg 17, a flyer, and I'll admit it's got a bit of flyer because it's peg 17, as you've seen. I've got a lovely edge round here. There's a few brambles I've got to watch out for, but there you go. Or over there, and out here. I'll have a swim here, and I'll find which one is best for me round here. Maybe 2, we'll see. Right, let's get set up. I'll catch you in a little while. Right, I'm all set up. I've got my nets in, just put those in. I've got one set up, top kitten 1, and then I've got out there with the full, well not the full pole, 6 sections, 4, 5 and 6. I've got one set up using that float there as a target, just there. And then I've got paste over there. I've got my paste mixed up here, and as you can see I've got the green dye in it as well. I know it's special G green, but that looks lovely. Look at that. Ooh, lovely. I can just keep adding a little water to that later. Right, let's show you the kits I'm using. Right, I'll put it on the stand. Right, I've got a paste kit down the edge. It's not a paste float, but it is it's upside down. It's a, yeah, I can't read it. It's such small writing. Yeah, stubby, slim, but that'll do for just down the edge because it's only about, that's barely 2 foot deep. Right, that's down there. That's for the paste, and now for my other line out here, top kitten 2. I have a new fish float. It's a Fury. It's a Fury, and it is a 4x16s. And that's down here on a 5-pound line and a 4-pound 12-ounce hook link. That's top kitten 2. I better hurry up because I've got to get the brolly up, otherwise I'm going to get everything wet. And then this one is, this is a matrix float, and that's upside down again. And that is, that's a midi slim as well. Should have seen that really, but there you go. And that's out. As I said just now, 6 sections out towards that floating bit there for the aerator. Okay, I've shown you my bait tray. Right, let's wait for the whistle. Catch you in a little while, hopefully. Right, they're just about to blow the whistle. There you go, that was good timing, wasn't it? Right. Right, well, good luck everybody. Right, I'll put this one in here. Top kitten 1, a few pellets in there, then I'll do the other one, just a few, all 6 mils. This one's out there, 6 sections, and there's already fish feeding out there. It's all like a cauldron. Right, I'll put that in front of the aerator. We'll use the aerator as a target. And then I'll feed that swim over there with just a few. And a tiny nugget of paste, just to get them a taste of it. And I can get out with the kit then. Right now I managed to move a bit of bramble. Well, I'll put some more sections on and moved a bit. There we are. Lovely. So first things first, I'm just going to go on the top kitten one for 5 minutes while them other ones settle. So I'm actually fishing, which is this kit here. Oops, a bit tight under the old brolly. I think I'm about to take it down in a minute. And I'm using a banded 6mm on here today, on this one. Where is it? There it is. Get it ready, just put a 6mm on it. Just take a few seconds. Put that on there, like that. I might get a cup and kit out after I've just searched around for 5 minutes on this top kitten one. Just give this 5 minutes. Because short kits can work in here. Let's see what happens. There's movement there already. Perhaps if they're little fish I can feed them off. Just keep dropping a few pellets in. A couple of bites then, but that could be roach. Sorry about that, I just had 2 Cornish pasties. Just so I don't have to stop during a match. Let's put it back, I moved it slightly. Let's see how things go today. Hopefully, as long as I catch a few fish, a few lovely peeps out there. You just never know. I'll try that further swim in a minute. I'll give it 10 minutes. Right, you'll be the first to know if I get anything, all right? Well, I'm in. That took 10 minutes. That's a skimmer. I'll let him stay on there for a sec because I've got to get this apart because of the brolly. I should have done that earlier. It's only a little skimmer. I'll put that in the far net, I think, on a 6mm pellet. There we go. We're off and running, even if it is a skimmer. It don't matter, do it? Right, let's get back out. We got another skimmer. Next put out. Could be Skimmer City, I think, isn't it? There we are. We're in again. And I was over there on having a go on paste in the edge and got hooked up on the bushes, pulled it in, and when it flicked in, the float broke, so I'm out of action with that one. I've got another kit I could put in for that, but there we go, we're back out on this top kitten 4, all 6 sections, and I've got something a little bigger. It's definitely not a skimmer this time. Come on, my little booby. Lift your head up. Just wet the elastic. Thought I was going to get the brolly down a minute ago. It eased up raining and started again. It's not raining hard, but it is raining. I've got £2 on the clicker, which are skimmers. I think round about £1. Maybe just under, but that don't matter, I'm on the safe side. Can't get his head up. He won't come up. Don't want him to come out in the nets. Oh no, the elastic's come off. I broke it. Oh my God, what a state to get into. May not come undone. That's not a bad carp either. Elastic come undone on the puller. I got it. What a bit of luck. Bloody elastic come right off a gear. Still, I got the fish, that's the main thing. What a mess I'm in today. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. If you keep still a minute, mate, I'll get you unhooked. There he is, look. I'll quickly show you because I'm lucky to get him. What a bit of luck, eh? Well, that's £3 on there. It took me to £5. What a bit of luck, eh? Dear, oh dear, oh dear. Well, I reset up. Just changed the kit. And put that kit on this one. I'm into another skimmer again. God, I was lucky. I think what happened is at the puller bung end, knot came undone somehow. I don't know how, but it came undone and I was lucky to get the fish back. But I got it, so there you are. When things go wrong, they go wrong, don't they? I've had another skimmer just now. I didn't film that. That was... Ah, we've got a crucian. That's an F1. Hook come out in a net, which is even better. Lovely little fish. And another skimmer. Slightly bigger this time. Only slightly. A few grams. Come on. I've got another one here. It's a lovely little fantail crucian. Hooked in the bottom lip. Look at that. So I can hold him and show him off. Look at all these fins, like, oh, lovely little things. Lovely. bit bigger one on. I weren't sure whether to turn you on or not, but then it suddenly started to just hold bottom. I think it's foul hooked, so I'm not going to count my chickens. Still, you never know, dear. You might get it in, might not. I'll keep it low so it don't break my float if it do flick out. So I'm not going to pull it hard. I've had a couple more fish off camera. I've got 16 pounds of carp, probably 4 or 5 of skimmers, isn't it? And I put a little tiny crucian in there just now. Hope that's not foul hooked, because this top kit and 2 swimmers now sort of really been working well now. I had 3 or 4 fish off there right quick. Oh, that's a different story. Yes, it is. That's a big one. I'll take it very steady with him. Come on, my little beauty. Well, I see him just now. He's not that little, actually. He's totally kicking the mud up. Cool. Let's keep our elastic wet. Not that's going to dry it today. It's still raining. I'll let it down a bit. It's a beauty, I think. Is he going to come up? I think the answer to that is no. I don't think it's foul hooked. I don't feel foul hooked because I can steer it around. Normally if they're foul hooked they get in one spot and you just sort of get this it's not doing that. That's just obviously I think there's a big fish. Could be worth the wait. No, he's not coming up. He just don't want to come up. Same over here. Just won't come in. He's got the same problem over there, won't come in. It's an arm maker. Well, he's been on 7 minutes now. I've only seen it slightly, but I'll edit it down. Chasing them ducks. Yeah, you don't want to give up, do we? Oh, it's a big old common. Don't know if you could see that. Keep his head up, keep his head up. Ooh. Crikey. Oh, oh. Crikey, that's a big one. That's wrapped around his fin as well. That was in his, right in his top lip, so it's hooked properly. Now it's hooked around his anal fin. Now I'll see if I can show you nicely. Let's have a look at this beauty. Look at the size of that. Be very careful not to drop him. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Oh. Now that was one hell of a fight, and I might be able to get the brawly down. Get back to you in a little while. I'm into another good one. Same one, that top kitten, 2. Another one that won't give up. Had him on a little while. And guess what it's doing again, as you can see. It's raining again. Come on, my little beauty. There's another common carp. Got him. Another nice one. Keep still, I nearly had you and you wriggled. Got you see, if you stay still. Another little beauty, look. That's a good 3.5. I'll put 3 down for him. £29 in here, and I haven't counted the silvers. I've had this one on for another 5 or 6 minutes. Another one that don't want to come up. He's been on here for quite a while, like I say, 5 or 6 minutes, so I hope I can get him in. They just won't come up. He's up near the surface-ish. But that's out there, that's no good out there. He's getting a little higher in the water now. Dear, oh dear. It's another big common. Ah, he's going. Oh no, not quite. Got him. Another nice one. Where is he hooked? Right in the lip, lovely. Yeah, right in the side of the lip. Give me 2 secs, mate, and I'll get you out. There we are, if you stay still, mate. Lovely. Show you this one as well. Nice one. Oh. That's another good £4, isn't it? Gotta be. One, two, three, four. That's £33 now. Well, as soon as I turned you off, I went straight back out and I got another one. Another £4 pluser. If you let me unhook him. He's unhooked, that's in the net. Lovely. If I can get it out. Net. Come on, mate, keep still just a minute. You must stop me getting my hook out of the net. Here's another £4. I won't show you that one. Let's just see. You can see I've got another one. Lovely. There's 4 minutes left and I've got another one. I just lost that one, it broke my blooming hook link. So I had to faff around and change a hook. You don't want that with 10 minutes to go, do you? So I've got another little one. Put him in there with them silvers. Got a chance to just get out with one more, I think. One more put out. What we got left? 3 minutes. I'll catch you in a bit. Right, we're into the last minute. Can I get one more before the whistle? We will see. Come on, my little boobies. Just one more. Well, I've got £53 of carp. I haven't clicked many of the silvers. I've got a few £10 of silvers in there. So hopefully I've got over £60. I think. You know what I'm like. I tend to over-click sometimes. One more be nice. Come on. It's now stopped raining again. It's been absolutely relentless rain today. It's been terrible, non-stop as you see. A full match under a brolly. Which was a little twitch. Chap over there, I think his name is Bob. He's absolutely emptied it. Aha, here we are. This will be the last one. Just don't come off like the other one did. It's a pulling. Get that bit of weed out the way. I don't want it hooking up on that. There's one more fish. Come on, stay on, old fruit. Come on, my little booty. Oops. Come up, you little monkey. That won't lift its head up. There we are, that's the end of the match. Fish on! I don't think I got anywhere half what you got over there. Just hooked on the side of the lip. Let's show you the last fish of the day. About two and a half, I reckon. Not quite 3. Nice finish to the match, look. get packed away and I'll catch you at the weigh-in. Right, let's do my weigh-in. Let's do the lighter one first of the two. Ain't quite so many in this one. Let's see what that one weighs. That's only in the teens, I expect. Was there much in that one? 15? Oh, 12, 15. That's a different story, this one.
More in that one.
Yeah. There's a bruiser in there too. Some booty in there.
£37.1.
Do-do-do-do. I put some of those little cruises in with the silvers so they didn't get with a big old carp.
So you clicked, Jay?
I clicked 56 before the silvers.
You in for it? 9.14. You got 59.14.
Oh, lovely. 59.14. Not bad. Right, I'll get the sheet at the end. Right, peeps, here's the sheet. Thank you, Steve. And as you can see, if I do it nice and slowly, because people say I don't do it long enough, but you can pause the video, and I managed to come second on the lake with 59.14. Look, one little fish would have made £60. Never mind. Right, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.